Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to use templates on TikTok. So here I've already on TikTok, and if you wanna know where to find the templates, you can just click on the plus icon at the bottom first, and then here at the bottom there are camera, story, and here the templates option. Click on the templates, and here there are so many options of templates that you can choose, and you can just choose which one of the photos that you want to use. For example, I want to use the collage too, so just click on the upload photos. If you are done choosing the templates, click on upload photos, click on continue, and after that choose the photo that you want to use. Okay, so here I'm going to choose 6 photos, and then click on OK, and now it's applying the effect. And here is the final result for the templates, and if you want to post it, you can just click on next. And that's all for me. That is how you can use templates on TikTok. I hope this video will be helpful to you. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, please don't forget to click like and subscribe. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.